Welcome to MK.3 Minutes. Today we're going to continue on from my video I did recently where I did the unboxing of the Ishapur drill rifle with the Mills-Bomb discharger cup, and I'm going to show you the practical use of how you can mess around with one of these here in the civilian world here in the United States. Now, a brief explanation of how the Mills-Bomb discharger cup works, if you didn't catch it in the previous video. It's a cup like this that will attach to the nose cap of your, don't worry this thing's not loaded, but of a SMLE pattern, or No.1 Mk.3 rifle, by attaching around the bayonet lug and the levers interlocking on these recesses of the nose cap. From here, what you would do is you would insert a Mills-Bomb down into this cup. You'd load a high-powered, blackened grenade launching blank, we don't have any of those, but you'll see something about how it works later, into the rifle, and you'll use the gases of that blank cartridge to fire a grenade from between 80 yards to 200 yards. Now, the way a gunner would identify how far a target would be is with this shutter here. The idea is that if it's all the way closed with the full power charge and the grenade, you'll be getting 200 yards of range out of it if you fire the rifle at a 45-degree angle. And if it's completely open, you'll get 80 yards of distance. The idea is that each quarter of the way you close it is another 30 yards of range until you get up to 200. Regrettably, during the recording of that segment, I had to curtail it prematurely owing to the diminishing sunlight and the imperative to finalize the firing segment, which will unfold shortly. The forthcoming demonstration is derived from Training Pamphlet Volume 1, No. 13, Grenade, published in 1937. Following the firing segment, I will delve into a comprehensive analysis of what you witnessed, elucidating its intricacies. Subsequently, I will delve into the broader applications of the discharger and delve into the historical context surrounding this remarkable device. Rifle bomber, 150 yards. As aforementioned in the prelude to our demonstration, the showcased procedures are rooted in the training pamphlet, albeit with a slight modification to the sequence for safety considerations. Upon receiving the command "Rifle Bomber" and designating the desired target range, the soldier is instructed to close the magazine cutoff, extract the live ball cartridge, load the grenade launching cartridge, and engage the safety. The bomber attaches the discharger and loads a No. 36 Mills-Bomb grenade with a gas check plate fitted to the bottom, pulling the pin once loaded. I follow this protocol, albeit with a minor deviation, loading the cartridge after introducing the Mills-Bomb facsimile, represented in this instance by a tennis ball. Should the need to fire not arise, the sequence is reversed with particular attention paid to reinstating the grenade pin. The manual prescribes an inverted firing posture for high explosive, smoke, and signal rounds. However, an exception is made for the No. 68 high explosive anti-tank grenade. This weightier counterpart to the Mills-Bomb, with a range of 50 to 75 yards, using the same launching cartridge, necessitates an upright position. Sighting for the No. 68 involves flipping the sight lead vertically, and the rifle should be braced against surfaces such as ditch banks, sandbags, or small holes in the ground, never directly against the shooter's body due to the substantial recoil impulse. This firing posture is also advised for the No. 69 percussion grenade. Additional insights gleaned from the 1943 edition of the aforementioned manual shed light on these firing nuances. The manuals referenced today have been digitized and made available by the Vickers Machine Gun Collection and Research Association, an invaluable resource throughout my research and post-production endeavors. Links to these publications and the main site will be provided in the video description. A crucial point emphasized in the manual is the advisability against firing standard .303 ammunition with the discharger attached, reserved only for the most dire of circumstances. Observant viewers may have noted the pronounced hang fires during my demonstration, attributed to the use of Second World War vintage drill blanks, the only available ammunition on short notice. Future demonstrations will feature more modern production blank cartridges, preserving irreplaceable 1940s ammunition. It's imperative to distinguish these blanks from designated launching blanks identified by the half-blackened casing with added crimp at the front. The discharger for the No. 36 Mills bomb served the British military throughout the Second World War, frequently employed on designated wire-wrapped and reinforced grenade launching rifles. Its eventual replacement came in the form of the No. 5 grenade projector for the No. 4 Mark I rifle, a topic we'll explore in a future presentation. While functioning as a historical relic, as demonstrated in the video, it remains a piece of equipment with operational potential. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and I look forward to presenting more intriguing content in the next video.